Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best lens cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after products for anyone who wears glasses, goggles, or any eyewear that easily fogs up, especially in various weather conditions or during intense activities. Today, we will review ZEISS Clear Anti-Fog and Lens Cleaner, diving deep into its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value, comparing it against other leading brands and exploring what makes it stand out from the rest. Number 5. Gamer FogAway. It's frustrating when fog ruins your view. This innovative spray provides long-lasting clarity with just one application. Enjoy a crystal-clear vision, no matter the conditions. It's gentle enough for all lens types, including those with delicate coatings. Use it on your goggles, glasses, or even electronics with confidence. It's been trusted by professionals for years. This product is made in Michigan and rigorously tested to ensure superior performance and reliability. First, clean your lenses and wipe them dry. Then, spray it on both sides, rub it in, and let it dry. Finally, buff off any excess for a fog-free view that lasts up to 24 hours. We're dedicated to enhancing the gaming experience. This is just one of the ways we're committed to the well-being of gamers worldwide. What we like? It provides fog-free vision for up to 24 hours and is safe for all lens types. This is a trusted brand used by professionals, making it ideal if you need reliable, long-lasting fog protection for various lenses. If you prioritize safety and dependability, this is the one for you. What people say. This product actually works and works well. They even work on my sunglasses and we have only had to reapply a couple times, not that the process is hard. Super simple spray, wait a few seconds, dry off gently and that's it. Works very effectively. I use it on swimming goggles. The first time I applied it, it lasted just 2 swims, because I rinsed the inside after each swim. After second application, it lasted many swims, because I protected the inside from rinsing. The product is clear when applied, does not bother my eyes when applied to goggles and does not leave any visible streaks on the lens. I spray my eyeglasses and my sunglasses after cleaning them thoroughly and I cannot believe that I experience absolutely zero fog no matter what type of mask I wear or what weather, and I think it's magic, but let's run with science and I am beyond grateful for this product. Number 4. ZEISS Fog Defender. Frustrated with fogged up glasses? It's time to try the ZEISS Fog Defender system. This simple spray keeps your lenses clear for up to 72 hours. It's easy to use and provides reliable protection against fogging, even when wearing a mask. You'll enjoy clear vision all day long. With this system, you get fog-free vision for up to 72 hours. Enjoy uninterrupted clarity without constant reapplication. Simply spray it on both sides of your lenses and wipe with the included microfiber cloth. It's that easy. It's perfect for glasses, sunglasses, and even binoculars, camera lenses, and goggles. Keep all your Optix clear and fog-free. Experience the difference of crystal-clear vision with the ZEISS Fog Defender system. Get yours today and say goodbye to foggy lenses forever. What we like? Enjoy fog-free vision for an impressive 72 hours with its ease of use. This product is perfect if you're looking for extra long-lasting fog protection without any hassle. If you value convenience and extended fog-free vision, this is your best choice. What people say. The application process is simple and efficient. Before setting out on a hike, I clean my glasses and apply the spray. This small preparatory step has a significant impact. My glasses remain clear throughout the day. The longevity of the anti-fog effect is particularly impressive, as it reliably lasts until the end of the day without the need for reapplication. It works very well. Even if you wear a mask and exercise, your glasses still won't fog up. Number 3. Optix 55 Cleaner Kit. Say hello to crystal clear lenses and screens. This kit makes cleaning easy and streak-free, no matter where you are. You get 2 8-ounce bottles, 1 2-ounce bottle of cleaner, and 3 microfiber cloths. That's everything you need for sparkling clean lenses. It's safe for all types of lenses and screens, leaving them spotless without streaks or smudges. It's also alcohol and ammonia-free. Use it on your glasses, sunglasses, phone, tablet, or computer screen. It's gentle yet effective on all delicate surfaces. This handy kit is compact and perfect for travel. Keep it in your bag and enjoy streak-free lenses anytime, anywhere. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free today. What we like? Get a great value with multiple bottles and microfiber cloths. It leaves your lenses and screen streak-free and is alcohol-free, making it gentle on all surfaces. If you need a cost-effective, streak-free cleaning solution for multiple devices, this is the perfect kit for you. What people say. It cleans like nothing else I have tried. I was using the individually wrapped towelettes for cleaning, but they didn't get my glasses even close to this clean. Just spray once on each side and wipe with included cloth. Scent-free, does a great job of cleaning my glasses, exactly what I was hoping for. A little goes a long way. I clean my computer screen, iPad, phone, eyeglasses, and all my family members' electronics. It was odor-free and left no streaks. Number 2. MagicFiber Anti-Fog Kit. Say goodbye to foggy glasses. This kit provides everything you need for crystal clear vision, all in one convenient package. It includes a 2 ounces anti-fog spray and 2 premium microfiber cloths. These cloths are incredibly soft and gentle on your lenses. It's specially designed to clean and defog your glasses simultaneously, leaving them spotless and scratch-free. Enjoy clear vision without any residue. It's safe for all types of lenses, including delicate coatings. The spray is ammonia-free, so it's gentle and effective. Simply spray it on both sides of your lenses, let it sit for 90 seconds, and then gently wipe with the included microfiber cloth using a circular motion. The ultra-soft microfiber cloths are 200 times thinner than a human hair, effectively removing oil, fingerprints, and smudges. They're perfect for all delicate surfaces. What we like? This kit ensures streak-free cleaning and is safe for all lenses. The included plush microfiber cloths add to the superior cleaning experience. If you want a gentle yet effective cleaning solution with premium microfiber cloths, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Works perfectly, making visibility a non-issue for about 20 minutes in high humidity. Bought this product, and not only does the liquid clean the lenses, it prevents fog buildup. Came with 1 bottle and 2 clothes to wipe off the liquid. Once I got the hang of how long to let the spray sit and how thoroughly to wipe the glasses afterwards, this product worked fabulously. I used it to avoid glasses fog from my face masks. Number 1. Optix 55 Anti-Fog. Tired of blurry vision? This anti-fog treatment is your solution for crystal clear lenses, every time. It's specially designed for anti-reflective lenses, so you'll always have a clear view. It's a game changer for those who wear anti-reflective eyeglasses. This product is specifically formulated for AR lenses, providing long-lasting clarity. Application is quick and easy. Just a few drops and a quick wipe, and you'll have fog-free lenses in seconds. No more messy sprays or special tools needed. Unlike other anti-fog sprays, this treatment provides days, even weeks, of fog-free vision with just one application. Enjoy consistent clarity without constant reapplication. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel. Take it with you wherever you go and always enjoy clear vision, whether you're on vacation or just running errands. This product is researched, designed, and manufactured in the USA. We're proud to offer a high-quality anti-fog solution for your eyewear. What we like? It's specially designed for anti-reflective lenses and provides long-lasting fog protection. Application is quick and easy, perfect for on-the-go use. If you have anti-reflective lenses and need a convenient, long-lasting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great for goggles eye protection that fog up easily due to masks in the hospital. Lasts all week and makes an immediate huge difference. Much better than sprays and wipes. I've tried a few different sprays, wipes, and liquids like this during the pandemic, and this is the only one that works. It lasts way longer and there's hardly any fog on my glasses even when it's 30 degrees outside. I use this for photography in tropical climates and for binoculars on my boat. Both applications were significantly improved by this treatment. I keep it in my gear bag now whenever I travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.